Natalie Berth here, working on the next profile review. Again, quick reminder, this is not comprehensive. It does not cover everything. I cannot solve all the problems in this short video, just as it is across the board. With Michelle's profile, right off the bat, obviously wasted space. It's lovely, but I don't know exactly what she does or her philosophy or her company or whatever. Would love to see this as an opportunity to, you know, promote what she does and what her expertise is. I would also, as a reminder, this chief commercial officer, this section takes up everything that would normally be at the front here, right? When we're looking at our quick reviews, this is what shows up, and we still don't know the industry, what exactly she does, anything like that. So I would want to, again, this will take more than I can do in a quick short video, but to rework the headline here so that what pops up early on is the thing that makes people interested in continuing into her profile. Quick two other things that I want to talk about here. One of them is in her experience. So she's got a lot of amazing experience. I'm not sure when people review her profile what exactly they're looking at. So that's something she would know. But what I would say is that there are a few things that kind of needs to be a little bit better organized. So board advisor positions, especially if she's sitting on multiple boards, you can either put that on as, because we're not assuming that's doing this. Oftentimes you could put that under the project section. I would also, the other project section could be some of the accomplishments that she's had with other companies that she's worked for. Unless she's looking for a job, then it's a really good idea to add all of this information. But if she's looking to kind of generally promote her overall successes, these are good, but could even shrink it down just to saying, hey, what exactly does DuPont do? She does do a good job of shrinking it, like not kind of going into all of the details, but some of this stuff is now going on 15 years old, and we could definitely pull some of that back. Okay. And then finally, the question then becomes in, of course, update the recommendations, honors and awards. This is good. If she's been on any, it looks like she was on a podcast, that can actually get added under publication section. That's always fun to do. And instead of saying that you're the author, you just simply say that you were, a guest, right? A podcast guest or something like that. So there's a whole bunch of opportunities to clean this up and just kind of bring it in towards the people that want to do this, that want to work with her. Thank you to Michelle for allowing me to review her profile as quick as it is. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I will be sure to tag you when I'm able to get done. Thanks.